Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Check this out. Praktica, Super TL. If this is not a gear review, I don't know what to tell you about. Because the lens of this Praktica, which is this guy over here, once was a glass window designed to trap time upon a strip of silver, as you know. It was a silent witness to a million moments, a box of shadows built to capture the world. But we have reached deep into the rib cage of this machine. We have pulled the shutter from its darkness. Yeah, we did that, and it's what you see here, the gears from the clockwork sequence. We have unmade the observer to create the observed. This is the anatomy of memory. This is the skeleton of a vision that is finally turned inward. Yeah. Look at the brass teeth and the steel levers. They were never meant to be seen by the light. This is an intimate shot of a Praktica Super TL. Hidden beneath the leatherette and the cold chrome, they were the muscle behind every click, the tension held in every frame. Yeah. Yet, in the hands of a human being like me, the tool has transcended its function. Here it is. It has become a totem. This is not a digital ghost or a flicker on a screen. This is a machine that has found its own soul through the friction of manual labor and the weight of real history. There is a hollow pulse in the digital world. A ghost lives there, thriving in a vacuum of code and a desert of pixels. Look at these legs. It can dream of 1,000 robots in the blink of an eye. It can generate 1,000,000 masterpieces in a flicker of a second, but that ghost will never know the resistance of a stripped screw. It will never feel the oil in its fingertips or the snap of a shutter spring that has reached its limit. Artificial intelligence can mimic the appearance of art, for sure. It cannot participate in the struggle of matter. It cannot understand the stubbornness of jammed gear in the narrative etched into a dented base plate. It exists only in the what if, the statistical average of everything it has been fed. It can never exist in the is. It cannot hold a screwdriver. It cannot bleed when the metal cuts back. It has no skin to feel the cold of the steel. This robot is a physical defiance. It's a rebellion of the analog against a world that wants everything to be weightless and erasable. Every joint is a memory of a photograph once taken. Every wire, every knob, every gear is a nerve that once moved to the rhythm of a human thumb winding the film. This lever over here. We did just not take a picture, we took the camera apart here. We found the heartbeat in the scrap. We found the art in the guts. And this is a rebirth that no prompt can ever summon and no algorithm can ever feel. This is the heavy, oily, beautiful truth of being human.